Now I am going to do tandoori roast chicken with rice. How is it? You like it? If you like it, I also will love to do it for you. So now we are going to try out tandoori roast chicken, right? And for that, I am going to use rice also. So we will first do the rice. Now first thing I wanted to tell you, if you like, you have to tell all your friends. Just simple rice with the tandoori roast, right? First thing what I am going to do is, I am using a little ghee or butter. Ghee alone won't do. It will get burnt. So little oil also we have to put. So we put the ghee and the oil. Let the ghee get melted. Only a teaspoon of mustard. Gram. I'm using a few gram pieces. Curry leaves. Dry chili. 2 dry chilies. Now along with that, I'm going to use the rice. Sambar rice or basmati rice, whatever rice you like, you can use and mix it nicely. This is just a simple thing that I am doing because with the tandoori roast I am going to do. With the tandoori roast, that will be really nice. So that's the reason that I am making this rice first. So that's going to be like a base inside. A little vinegar, a little. And a little lime juice. A little salt. Normally when we cook the rice, we don't put salt. So now I have put the salt a little. Mix it nicely. It's a cooked rice. When I cook the rice, normally what I do is, I put a little stock also and cook. Only with the water without cooking, we cook with the stock also. So for 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cups of water. When you say water, you can use water plus stock into that. So now we will start frying this chicken. Before I roast the chicken, I have to show you what and what I have used. Coriander leaves, a few. About 4 or 5 dry chilies. Garlic, 2 or 3 garlic. Piece of ginger. And I have taken cashew nuts also a little. Then we have taken poppy seeds, white poppy seeds, and cumin seed, ground to a paste with water. This is what I have done. Can you see this? Ground to a paste. I have taken a cup of curd. The ground ingredients. I'll put the ground ingredients. We need salt, turmeric, a little pepper. We can use a little more chili powder. We will use into this. I need red coloring. It looks like pink, so I put. I want this to be reddish. Now what I am going to do is chicken pieces, take it, with bones we can use. Long shreds. I have taken marinade, and you can keep it at least for half an hour. At least half an hour you keep, but I would prefer you to keep for about 2-3 hours. If I am keeping for 2 or 3 hours, it has to be in the fridge. Pan, First thing, I have to boil this. First thing, we have to boil this. So we'll take all this nicely, put it. The chicken has to get cooked and it has to get boiled well. I have put salt, pepper, a little turmeric, chili powder and all the rest of it. Now we can see the chicken is being, no water, nothing, all evaporated. Either butter or ghee, say about a dessert spoon. Then we need a little oil. The chicken has to get roasted. Tandoori chicken has to get roasted nicely. Now see, this gets nicely roasted. I want the burnt effect. I like it like that. But we Sri Lankans prefer, the burnt effect. This is the tandoori roast chicken. Okay. So we can have it. I have taken the rice, put it on a side. Now we can have for lunch. This is the tastiest part of it. So we can have it like this. Yummy. Actually, rice with the tandoori roast chicken. I think we need coriander. Mainly we need coriander. Coriander can go. If you want, you can have a little mint. Whatever you like, you can have it. And along with that, I'll have a little bit of button tomatoes. Mint is also there. Love to have the mint. Mint is also tasty. Chicken, right. My tandoori chicken is ready. Roast tandoori chicken. For a change, I have done like this. I think you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation. It's nice with rice. You can have it with rotis, rice, anything that you want, you can have it. So this is my version of the tandoori roast chicken with rice. Try it out and see. And of course you will enjoy preparing this type of preparation because it's something different. What we go and have it or what we prepare at home is different. Now I have given you another version. Try it out and see, and you will enjoy, and your whole family will love it. And next week, wait and see, I will come back with another episode. Till then, bye from me now.